friends, my name is Prit from Robofunlab Porbandar. Today my project name is Extreme Habitats and I have made Dino the parrot. Let me tell you some facts about parrots. First, there are 307 species of parrots. Parrots are most intelligent bird in the world. Parrots, their life of parrots is 80 years old. There are many reasons to affect parrots' habitat. First, cutting trees. Second, climate change. And third, radiation from mobile tower. This is smarter. This is motion sensor and this is motor. When motion sensor detect any object, the mouth of parrot is open and closed. Let's see how it works. Thank you.